Is it possible to sell a $3,000 product through YouTube ads? So today we're actually going to be answering a question by Joey, who's part of our Facebook group of YouTube ad buyers. And Joey was asking about, is it possible to sell a $3,000 home gym system via YouTube ads? So our recommended structure for selling a product in this price range, which is $3,000, is actually a YouTube ad to a free video case study, which they would get by opting in with their email. On the thank you page, they'll get access to that free video case study, as well as an option to book a call. And underneath that book a call to action, there'll actually be some testimonials, just really social proof to back up and to really let them know that they're not wasting their time to learn more about this opportunity or this product. Once they hit the call to action, they would actually fill a survey to qualify them further before actually booking a call. We'd actually recommend adding a Calendly integration just to make it really easy to book calls and to keep everything organized. And then once you actually get them on the call, that's the time to close them on this high ticket product, right? So if it's a $3,000 product, it's really tough to convince somebody in an ad to send them to a sales page to buy that $3,000 product right away, right? There's some relationship building that needs to go on in the meantime to earn their trust before they're willing to commit to such a large offer. So just to recap, it was a YouTube ad to free video case study, to survey, to book a call. And then on the booked call, actually sell them on the product. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are able to utilize this structure to sell your high ticket items with YouTube ads. If you're a business owner and you actually want help selling your own products and services, go ahead and book a strategy session with one of our team members. We'd love to see how we can help you utilize YouTube ads in 2020 and beyond. So until the next video, thank you so much.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk.